Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool GE 6.0 cordless telephone. The model number is a 27909. This is Dennis's equipment from California, and he's got a note here with the telephone, and he's talking about how people cannot hear him. So it has a transmit issue, and so we want to troubleshoot this telephone. This is the initial checkout. Now, we also mentioned that we had one used keypad, and we'll go ahead and use it in his telephone. They both have issues. His original one does. And, it's a used keypad. It's probably in a little better condition than his. So we'll go ahead and install it in the telephone. I want to show you the handset since this is the initial checkout. If you've never seen the inside of one of these handsets, and that kind of gives you a look at what's going on. So we need to troubleshoot that, and we'll go ahead and start the troubleshooting process, and then we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool GE cordless telephone. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this GE 6.0 cordless telephone, and we're ready to start our final checks. But we want to go ahead and take our original keypad that was replaced and set it to the side. That's of no use to us, really. And we also want to mention the cover here, the outer cover. We found one of the tabs in the phone, so we went ahead and repaired that. And under normal usage, you probably will be okay with that. It should hold the cover on, and the cover doesn't really ever get taken off very often. So we'll go ahead and put the cover on now. And that should hold just fine. So we also want to talk about, for those who watch our videos, they know that this is our amplified pickup. And we use that in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. And it's so that you can hear the audio from a receiver when we do our final checks and troubleshoot and repair. And on these cordless telephones, since there's an exchange of frequencies between the handset and the base, it can override the video and override anything amplified. And if you hear any kind of electrical hum or kind of a staticky noise or a hum, that is because of the frequencies that the base and handset interchange. It's completely normal, and it just happens with cordless telephones. And sometimes we'll bring the handset up to the video, and you can hear that kind of a humming electrical noise. That's the frequency override. So we're ready to start our final checks. We want to go ahead and ring the unit. We use our analyzer, and we'll ring the telephone. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time, and we'll turn on our amplifier. And we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 456. Hello, hello. We could hang up. Now that we know that this telephone is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out. We know it has transmit because we can see the light and it's working. We have receive. We can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out and totally takes the analyzer out of the situation. And we can call a time and temp number. So we'll go ahead and do that. We'll give you some dial tone. And we'll call that number.
Good morning. Save money on insurance. Get a quote from Offenberg's Allstate Agency in O'Fallon and Belleville. Call 618-624-8937. Today is Friday, June 19th. The time is 10:51. Current temperature 79 degrees.
Showers and isolated thunderstorms today. Locally heavy rainfall possible. Highs in the upper 70s. Cloudy tonight. Showers likely with isolated thunderstorms. Locally heavy rainfall possible. Lows around 70. Warmer on Saturday. Mostly cloudy. Then clearing. Highs in the upper 80s.
Okay. We can hang up. We'll call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. We can hang up. Now we can go back over to the analyzer and we'll check our transmit one more time. Now you can also tell that this keypad is setting more flush to the handset. When you have a worn out keypad, basically what starts to ripple and what happens is it just starts to kind of get oversized and it'll be real flappy. And so this one is a lot more to the contour of the telephone. So that's basically why we used it. It was a used keypad, but we don't have many body parts to these, the cosmetic parts to these telephones. They're very hard to come by. Our customers really like these telephones, and they sat flush to the wall. You can't really even find these used. They do not make them any longer, and if you can even find one used, they want quite a bit for it. So our customers want to have these repaired. And they're a really good telephone. They were a nice telephone. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. We're on the analyzer now. We want to dial a 2, and then we want to transmit into the handset again. Just like earlier, if you watch that red light, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can hang up. So now that we know that this telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Dennis and he can enjoy this telephone again. Very cool GE 6.0 27909 cordless telephone. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.